We typically think of the value of our customers in terms of the revenue they provide to the store when they spend money at the register. But what if I told you that the amount they spend at the register only accounts for a fraction of the sales that they can generate for your business? The truth is, with a little time and effort, retailers can begin multiplying the number of sales driven to their store without the need for a massive budget or an advanced technical know-how. Today I will discuss the value of leveraging the social influence of your existing customers to increase total sales for your store. By watching this video, you will be given simple, actionable techniques that you can begin using today to not only increase the awareness of your store, but generate more foot traffic and more sales for your business. According to a 2013 study by the Pew Research Center, 72% of people get their news from friends and family. Whether it's an article they read about the latest diet trend, an amazing seafood restaurant that just opened up around the corner, or a sales promotion happening at their favorite retail chain, it should be no secret that the members of our social circles have a major influence on our purchasing decisions. When a customer comes into your store and buys a product, they have just indicated that your product offerings match their needs, increasing the likelihood that others within their sphere of influence may also have similar needs. This connection makes a point of sale a perfect opportunity to turn your customer into an influencer. With the newest customer right in front of them, sales staff have a chance to incentivize these customers to tell their friends about your business. Retailers that set up a referral program can offer customers things like special discounts or store credit for swaying their friends and family to come in and make a purchase. Offering a discount for their friends and family too will not only convince the members of their social circle to buy from you, but the influencer will come back and use the store credit from the influence sale. Every customer that can be leveraged at checkout is an opportunity for more business. According to tech firm McKinsey & Company, as many as 50% of all purchasing decisions are made from word of mouth. Consumers not only rely on input from friends and family, but the reviews left online from other consumers carry a large weight as well. As consumers, we may turn to Yelp to find the highest rated taco truck in the city, or to Google to read about the quality of service of the landscaping business that just left a flyer on our mailbox, or to Amazon to see whether the 4K TV that just went on sale really is a good bargain. In the digital age, the opinion of the internet matters a whole lot to us. If we see a business with poor online reviews or no reviews at all, it can feel risky as a consumer to give them a chance. Oftentimes, consumers will instead give their business to a competitor that already has accumulated many high reviews. Business reviews have become so accessible to consumers that researching them has become a standard part of the average consumer's buying process. Similar to the strategy of a rewards program, when a customer reaches the checkout counter, there is another massive opportunity to leverage them for social influence. In this strategy, sales staff may offer discounts in exchange for customers leaving a positive review during checkout. With most customers carrying an internet-connected smartphone, it is easy for a staff member to verify that a customer left a positive review before applying the discount to the sale. Or you can offer a discount to be applied to a future purchase, which could be sent to the customer by email. This strategy not only incentivizes the customer to return to the store for a future sale, but it doubles as an opportunity for retailers to use the captured email address to send the customer other store promotions. If retailers would prefer to use a strategy of influencing customers, friends, and family without requiring the customer to participate at checkout, it is now possible to do so. Using Esquire Advertising's proprietary technology, the internet-connected devices owned by friends and family members of a customer can be observed when they visit the customer's home. That segment of visitors can then be targeted with digital advertisements for your retail store through social media, banner ads, and streaming services. Despite what you may have heard, influencer marketing is not just for 20-somethings with a large social following. Every customer that comes into your store is an influencer. At some point or another, we have all been influenced to buy something by someone we know. By going the extra step, retailers can make the next product someone is influenced to buy something from their store.